Great morning, traders. This is Austin. It is Thursday, March 30th. And the title of today's video is obviously going to be short and sweet. Here we are, less than 10 minutes into the pit session. I'm done. Like I said, daily objective is the same. I don't care if the range is 8 points or 18 points or 48 points. My primary objective, number one overall, simply book $100 per contract or greater as soon as possible. Shut it down. Some days that's not easy, and then other days it is. This happens to be an easy day. It's not all of them are. This one is. Here we go. We had a sell signal in the 2357 area. Okay, give or take several ticks, because what do we know for sure? There's no such thing as a spot or an exact tick entry on a chart. There's no such thing for every single trader to either get filled at the exact same tick or it's not a trade. That's just a fallacy and a misconception. Period. Trades are in an area or a zone. This one filled there. It went greater than 2 and a tick. It went, I think, 3 points in favor or thereabouts, something like that. Jammed the trail stop in. Ticked out at 2 and clicked out at 2 and a tick. End of story. Now, for the rest of the day, it could be a lot of things. This could turn into a monster trend day. It could come down here and hit the 233 zone, or up there and hit the 233 zone, or both, which is 90% probable, a little bit better than 90% probable from this point forward on. It being now roughly, what's my cell phone say? 9:40 Eastern. That's what it is right this minute. So, price could continue on down here. Who knows? It could spin reversal and come up here and, retest yesterday's highs or whatever. It could do a number of things. But what it's not going to do is take back the gains that we've already captured that are realized, because we've, met our primary objective. Now, I jammed this trail stop in where it got taken out. And let's say, for the sake of the discussion, that it didn't. Let's say that the trade had continued onwards and had been good for 4, 5, 6, 8 index points. That would be great. Then I wouldn't be opposed to trading further. Let's say it went out at 3 or 3.5 points. Let's just be modest. So book 3.5 points, and gave another signal later on in the session, minutes later, hours later. I wouldn't be opposed to taking that signal and risking that 1 or 1.5 points difference from the 2 that I want. But I want the 2 points every single day. And so far, every single day, we've made that happen with fewer than 4 trades, to my knowledge. I think the most that it has required has been 3, and usually just 1, because we're looking for very unique but common situations and trading out of those. So that's the moral of the story. There's no need to overtalk it. There's not much more to say. Our job as traders is done for today. $112.50 per contract value. Once again, if you're trading 10 contracts, that's $1,125. If you're trading 20 contracts, that's $2,250. If you're trading 2 contracts, it's $225. That math is strictly up to you. But one thing's for sure for all of us, I'm done for today. Successfully. See you tomorrow. Have a great one.